Hi everyone, this is Kijo Vlogs, a Philippine reactor based here in Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin ito ng reaction video, ang bagong movie ni Barbie Forteza. Pero hindi pa tayo sure, hindi pa ako sure kung kailan siya ipapalabas. Pero this is only the teaser, so I just want to check kung ano ang storyline ng movie na to. Pero kasi kasama niya dito si Boots Anson Roa Rodrigo together with Ma'am Charo Santos. My God, grabe si Barbie. Heavy drama to for sure. Heavy drama to, but let me just check the said description of the video. Charo Santos, Barbie Forteza, and Boots Anson Roa will star together in a new movie written and directed by award-winning director Brillante Mendoza with Mr. Wilson Tiang as executive producer. They are joined by Angel Aquino, Albert Martinez, Eric Kizon, and Vince Rillion. Hindi ako familiar kay Vince Rillion. From Center Stage Production and Solar Pictures, abangan sa 2026. Okay, I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this one. What is the story of this movie? Kasi for sure talaga, yung ano talaga nila dito yung acting prowess talaga nila dito. Buhos na buhos talaga to eh. Drama nakalagay drama with Charo Santos, Barbie Forteza, and Boots Anson Roa. Though we know from the fact na alam din naman talaga natin na si Barbie Forteza, sanay na sanay din sa heavy drama, pero magja-jive kaya yung pagiging heavy drama ni Barbie Forteza together with Miss Charo Santos, knowing Charo Santos, Ma'am Charo, knowing Boots Anson Roa. Ay kanat. Grabe si Barbie, no? Mga nakahilera niya dito, mga batikan na. So, without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Marami talaga tayong mga poses dito, ha? Itatry natin i-debunk itong teaser na to, kung anong storyline na to. Itatry talaga natin kung anong relasyon ni Barbie kay Ma'am Charo, kung anong relasyon ni Barbie kay Ma'am Boots Anson Roa, kung anong relasyon ni Ma'am Charo and ni Miss Boots, ni Ma'am Boots, ni Boots Anson Roa together. Kung paano, anong relasyon nilang tatlo, itatry natin. So basically, marami talaga tayong mga poses and everything. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video.
Tonight I can write the saddest lines. The night is starry and the star...
Wait, dalawang babae. So basically, Ma'am Charo Santos and Boots Anson Roa, it's either mag-BFF or magkapatid. Diba? Pero nagsusulatan sila eh. So, pwede naman magsulatan yung kapatid, di ba? Mali mo, baka magkalayo din naman sila na magkalayo silang magkapatid, tapos bigla na lang silang, magkapatid sila, tapos bigla silang pinaglayo, tapos nagsusulatan sila. Di ba? Yun eh.
Stars are blue and shiver in the distance.
Ay, ano na, Barbie? Pero ang tanong, bakit parang naging kamukha ni Barbie si Spencer dito? Kailan si Spencer, yung TikToker na sumikat ng pandemic, para siyang si Spencer dito. Pero ang tanong, ano ang relasyon ni Barbie sa dalawang to, kay Ma'am Boots Anson Roa and kay Ma'am Charo Santos?
The night wind revolves.
Oh, anak niya si Barbie? Anak niya si Barbie?
In the sky and sings.
Grabe, this is one thing that I really love about Barbie Forteza. Even Alden Richards, hindi pong alam mo yung walang dialogue. Pero nakikita mo sa mga mata nila kung ano ang sinasalita or ano ang salita na gusto nilang ilabas. Sa mga mata mo pala makikita. Ganyan talaga kagaling yung mga actors and actress nowadays. Yung tipong alam mo yung walang dialogue, pero kita, di ba? Yung tipong kahit nakasmile, pero kita na may galit. You know what I mean?
Tonight I can write the saddest lines. I loved her.
I loved her.
And sometimes she loved me too.
Oh
Through
my
nights like this
God.
one, I held her in my arms.
Ganda ng color grading. Can we just appreciate the color grading for this one? Ito, yan eh. No, yes, this one is very classic. Pero may gusto talaga akong frame. Ayan no, ang ganda ng color grading. So basically, ano ang trabaho ni Barbie Forteza dito? Na para bang hindi ko pa din makuha-kuha kung anong relasyon ni Barbie Forteza dito sa dalawang veterana actress dito. Pero kasi, kanina, kahag niya si Charo Santos. Tapos ngayon, siya yung nagtutulak kay Anson Roa yan, di ba? Kay Boots. O parang nasa home for the ages sila. Si Boots ba yan? Oo, si Boots. Si Boots Anson Roa yan. Diba? So, mapapaisip ka na lang din talaga, anong relasyon? Sana ma-debunk talaga natin. Ang hirap nito i-debunk. Ang hirap niyang idibang, mami, kasi parang sobrang, what do you call this? Sobrang, how do I say this? Sobrang, tipid ang kanilang teaser, kumbaga. Kasabagay, teaser pa din talaga. Pero malalaman natin yan sa trailer. Pero sana ilabas sila agad ang trailer. Merry Christmas, everyone. Wait lang. Ulitin natin ulit niya na walang pauses, okay?
Through nights
Gusto ko lang
like
maano.
this one, I held her in my arms. I kissed her again and again.
Oh,
Under
nasa Home for the
endless sky.
Aged.
To hear the immense night, still more immense without her.
Is the theme song, kakagawa ko lang ng reaction video na to, kinanta ng isang Chinese na ginagawa ko ng reaction video. Is the OST is Don't They Know Why Does the Sun Go On Shining? Am I right?
And the verse falls to the soul like dew to the pasture.
Grabe naman na the dialogue.
What does it matter that my love could not keep her? The night is starry, and she is not with me.
She's not with me. What is the meaning of this? Nakakaloka. Can you just repeat that?
Tonight I can write the saddest lines. The night is
Oo.
starry.
Yeah.
The stars are blue and shiver in the distance. The night wind revolves in the sky and sings. Tonight I can write the saddest lines. I loved her,
I loved it.
and sometimes she loved me too. Through nights like this one, I held her in my arms. I kissed her again and again under the endless sky. To hear the immense
Yeah.
night, still more immense without her. And the verse falls to the soul like dew to the pasture. What does it matter that my love could not keep her?
What's
The
the
night
matter
is
with that?
starry,
Grabe naman the dialogue,
and she is
Bibi.
not with me.
Grabe naman. There you go, guys. That is our for today's video, which is the Until She Remembers a teaser. Grabe atake. Grabe the dialogue. This is Kijo Vlogs and see you on my next one. Pero grabe ang dialogue, no? Hindi ko pa din siya magets. So basically, si Barbie Fortesa dito is ang nanay niya, si Angel Aquino. Tama? And then, right after that, si Boots Anson Roa naman is magkasama sa Home for the Agent. Or baka mama ni Ma'am Charo si Boots Anson Roa. What do you think? Please comment down below. Paano naging konektado si Barbie? Yun yung question ko talaga. Paano naging konektado si Barbie sa dalawang veteranang actress? This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!